Depending on the size of a design, okay, see this 18, A and H, 1 and 8, the highest numbers you can get, because 9 is when you come back to 1 again. We all understand 9 is when you come back to 1. Just like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you come back to 5. So let's start again. 1, 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares, you're back in this one. 1 and 5 is the same square. The same thing over here. 1 and 5 is the same square, so we have 4 and 4. 4 and 4. Then there's 1 in the center over here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1 and 7 become the same. 1 and 7 become the same. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You started at 1 here. Now you start at 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 4, 3 and 4 come together. 34, 88, 68 comes over here. 8 and 8. What is the difference between this 8 and this 8? As you saw, we broke in with a second dimension design on top of it. Is that the minute this area is open, it now becomes 1, 2, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 sides. Instead of 4 sides and 4 sides creating 8, we now have 3 and 3 creating 6. Because we came here to divide everything up. If we split 2 sides, we now must divide it up. Same design. So we take this design over here and we put it into its full domain rotation. 3 or E3. E3, electric company. Creation. Now we come on to this side of the page. And how about a hat for 2? It takes 4 cubes to create within 2. This 7 over here. This 7 over here. Now, why is it 7 like this? Why does it end? Because we're only going to meet in the center over here, the hearts. And the rest of it is through here. This is the hat on your head. Imagine you went 360 degrees, east, west, north, and south with one hat. A hat built for 2, left side and right side. You're connecting this side and this side. Okay, you don't need the front and the back because you took to the whole side here and the whole side here. If you went the front and the back, right, you take the whole side here and the whole side here. You take the whole dimension. So a hat built for 2. Here is your eye. You see your eye holding the hat at the same time, separating the 2 sides. If it's built for 2, which 2 are you talking about? Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. It's all based on the understanding on how things are done. This one over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back to 9 again. Back to the beginning. Each square has 4 corners. 4 corners, 4 corners, 4 corners, 4 corners. So if I do this for each of its own square, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each square would be 5, 10, 15, 20. I have 20. When actually there were only 16. We have to understand that if we go to the center of a square, do I have any quick designs, or do I use that one? If we go to a center of a square, okay, this is the clock. We don't have to go from here to here. We have the arms that go around on the outside. They go around the arm, goes around the 5 here, the moon area. It passes in front of the center area and connects to the 4 corners. It has the arm that does this. It's open there and it's pointing to 0. It's open there and it's pointing to 7. So we have, let's count it from the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's start it again. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we counted 6, 5, 10. It depends how you want to go about it. But the reality is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gets 1, and then they get 5 to go back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Are we going out of the rabbit hole? We go into the rabbit hole. We come out of the rabbit hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back to where we began. 10, back into the rabbit hole. 5 and 5 is 10, 0 and 1 is 1 again. And we go again. It's like turning the radio dial. 1 and 9 come together. If we just do these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we connect again at 5. If we just do these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we connect again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, connect again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, connect again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Oh, I got to go to the dentist. Thank you for watching this video. So we understand that by starting at home plate and going to first base, starting at home plate and going to first base, let's say starting at home plate 1, going to first base, going to second base because it's center field, number 5, going to third base, which is number 4, and coming home again. That's 5. So 3 men scored plus you. It's a grand slam. You touched the plate twice, but so did everybody else. But you touched it on one swing and a bat, and you brought in 3 players. That's a home run. If you ended up with a triple, you'd end up knocking in 3 players, 2, 5, and 4. And on the 254th day, it was September 11th, 2001. 125th day, which is May 5th. 365 days. See how the formations of all these numbers will always tell you something that will be relative somewhere? If it's not, we'll look for it and we're going to find something. We're always going to find, whatever I do, I'll always find something. This is a children's game I play. I'm trying to be smart enough so I can find the reality, bringing truth to the words that go with the numbers in the way of the game. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. And the year they call Torah. T-O is 2015. TO is numbered with 625 of the Mayan calendar. It's angel residency, 76 times 76, 77 times 75, 123 by 47. This is all now. 25,926 divided by 6 is 43210. D, 4 equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. D equals 10. D equals JD. D is a connection to 6. D, 4, 4, and 4 by 4 is 1776. And thank you.